Hi, welcome to a new tech video. I'm back from vacation and one of the most questions I saw under the comments was, can I still sleep in the vehicle? And I can tell you, yes, it's possible if you really want to. But now we get back to the more serious issues. Let's see how far testing has gotten in the meantime. Hi. We have seen that there are many components in the series validation vehicles and they all need to work together. And there's one special component of all the electronic units that control everything in the vehicle. And that component is the VCU. And I'm very happy that I have Osman here with me, who is responsible and an expert on the VCU. Hi, Osman.
Hi, Sebastian. Thank you.
So first question to you, what do you do?
Actually, I'm component owner of the vehicle control unit, so I'm working on the requirements engineering of the vehicle control unit, sometimes testing engineering of this, and also I'm in relationship with the suppliers, everything related to vehicle control unit in the electronic side. Actually, I'm doing that.
So what exactly does the VCU do?
Okay. It's vehicle control unit, we can understand directly from the name. It's the vehicle control unit. So it has main functionalities about the vehicle: drive, thermal and the charge. So inside of the vehicle control unit software, we directly control these main three features. And we are in relationship with the other ECUs and we command the actually behaviors to the another ECUs from these interfaces. This can be CAN, this can be a LIN, so on.
Sounds that there are a lot of components that need to work together. And can you tell us a little bit about the testing process?
Yes, exactly. We are directly working according to the V-cycle actually. So we made the requirements engineering, we specified everything according to our vehicle specifications for the vehicle control unit. Right now we have the state machines requirements and the test requirements for the vehicle control unit. What we are doing right now is we are checking our specifications on the vehicle, but we already made the initial test in the batch run, and right now we are a little bit sure about our functionalities. But what we want to do is we want to go in detail and understand what is the software behavior on the real vehicle. So we were on the test track and we checked the drive feature. You can call the another features under of the drive like the regenerative braking, one pedal driving, so on. And we checked the feeling and we tested it, and software is behaving according to our specifications. But at the same time, what we made is we made calibration. So we little bit calibrate the vehicle for the driver, you know, how it feels, how is the feeling of the accelerator pedal, so on. And right now we are in the DC charging phase. So our focus is DC charging, and what we are planning to do is start again with our state machine and use some calibration tools and command the software step by step and check the every step, are we behaving according to our specification and is another component behaving according to their state machines. And we are searching for the failures, findings, and making our requirements better. Yes.
Yeah, it's very good that you have a process for that and that you can. You sound quite confident actually about the current state, which is good. So the next thing you mentioned is you already were on the test track.
Correct.
And now you do like real world tests also. Okay, so and what are the next steps you need to do in the next days, for example?
Yeah, exactly. In the next days, we are planning to do a DC charging activity. Actually, we want to check the early states. Is our software behaving according to our requirements again? We will be really careful and we will command step by step, and we will check the VCU at the same time with the DCU.
Thank you so much for these insights. It's interesting to see and learn more about the brain of the vehicle and current testing. So thanks for your time. Keep up the good work. And yeah, for everybody, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you, Sebastian, for visiting us in the testing place. And you know, as I explained, we are currently working on the DC charging, and also I'm working with my DC testing engineer, with my colleague Arun. So for more detail, he can also explain the DCU in details to you for the DC charging activities.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
Sounds good. So we will do this next week and learn more about DC charging. Thanks again for watching. You can like and subscribe the button so that you get notified when there are new videos coming up, and one will be definitely next week. Thanks. Bye.